Hi guys, welcome to Distance Learning Week 5. This is April 27th through the 1st of May. So directly after watching this welcome video, please plan to join our mandatory weekly Zoom meeting. And these weekly videos aren't that long, so I recommend after watching this video, getting open any assignments that you can get started on and at least get them open, export them to Notability. That way you're ready to go and use your time wisely as soon as our Zoom meeting is done. So I also started adding in optional office hours on the day that we're not having the mandatory Zoom meeting. So I've been sending out emails, but I have now on the welcome page on Neo, you'll notice at the very top underneath the weekly Zoom meeting link, there's going to be a link for you to join our weekly office hours. So again, that will be on the day that we don't have our mandatory Zoom meeting. And if you need any help or you want to go through the work with me rather than watching the instructional video, or you just need to check in to talk, please plan to attend those office hours. Our agenda for this week, you're going to be looking at your last piece of evidence for our mass extinction essay. So you're going to be reading an article, marking the text, and then completing the graphic organizer, typing your paragraph like you've been doing for the past 2 weeks. And then there's a really short video I want you guys to watch. So with that, you're going to be reading Asteroid or Volcano, New Clues to the Dinosaur's Demise. So that's the source that you're going to be focusing on this week for the mass extinction essay. And again, this is going to be your last body paragraph, so your third and final. Here is the link to the article. Again, Asteroid or Volcano, New Clues to the Dinosaur's Demise. You're welcome to read that on your own and mark the text in Notability by numbering the paragraphs, circling the key terms, and underlining or highlighting important information. If you would like to go through it with me, I recorded myself reading it and underlining and circling and stuff like that. So if you want to just go through it with me, you can watch the instructional video linked on the welcome page on Neo. So you're welcome to do it by yourself, or you can do it going through it with me. But you will turn this in, the marked text, by Friday at midnight on Neo. After you're done reading the article, you're going to open up that same document that you've been using in Notability thus far. So this will be the third one down. At the very top, you'll see it says Article Graphic Organizer. So again, I highly recommend that you watch the instructional video that I have linked on the welcome page. It walks you through it step by step. So we go through the claim, we write the source, and we record 3 pieces of evidence. So if you haven't been doing that, I really want you to at least do this one with me, okay? So if you haven't done that already, I want you to find that link on the welcome page on Neo that says go through this with me here, and you can click on it and it opens it up. That way you know that you're doing it correctly, okay? So after filling in our graphic organizer, we'll complete the body paragraph template. This is our third and final body paragraph for our essay. Again, that instructional video walks you through step by step. So it helps you write that evidence statement and your 2 pieces of reasoning. So again, remember this is only 4 paragraphs, including your 4 sentences, your topic sentence, your evidence sentence, and then your 2 pieces of reasoning. So it's really not that much. It's only 4 sentences, and it's very structured for you, especially if you're following along in that instructional video. Can I say it again? Go find the instructional video. Okay. So after you followed along with me in that video and your body paragraph template is complete, remember that's like our rough draft. So you're then going to take that rough draft and you're going to open up the mass extinction document that you've typed the last 2 paragraphs into, and you're going to type up your third and final copy. So this document should already be shared with me. We've been working on this for 2 weeks. I've been trying to get everyone to share it with me correctly. If you still haven't shared it with me, you really need to do so. I have to be able to monitor your progress. So if you haven't, please stay after on our Zoom meeting today and make sure you get that shared correctly. Okay? So go ahead and type up your third and final paragraph. And then when you are done, normally this would also get turned into a paragraph, but we're not going to write it. We're going to just keep it at 3 paragraphs and just have you watch this quick interview. So it's called The Sixth Extinction. It's only 3 minutes, so before you complain that it's too much work, it's only 3 minutes long and it's really interesting. It's an interview with a woman that talks about why we're potentially in a 6th mass extinction. So again, only 3 minutes, and there's 4 questions for you to answer. So you can go ahead and export that document to Notability and answer those questions as you watch, and then submit those to Neo, and that will be it. So again, normally we turn this into a 4th body paragraph, but we're not going to. I just want you guys to watch it and kind of see and understand the potential of the 6th math. That's a mouthful. The 6th mass extinction. Okay, so that's it for this week. So now that you've watched our welcome video, thank you for watching. Go ahead and open up your article, export it to Notability. You can start marking the text as you're waiting for our Zoom meeting to start. Okay, I will see you soon.